Hello mellow guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that might just change your entire desk experience. If you spend hours at your computer, whether you're a coding wizard, a gaming guru, or just someone who types a lot of emails, you know the struggle is real when it comes to wrist comfort. That's why we're taking a close look at the Vaydeer Wrist Rest for keyboard and mouse, your new best friend for happy wrists. Right off the bat, you'll notice the Vaydeer Wrist Rest isn't just another boring desk accessory. It boasts this really unique diamond pattern, which adds a touch of modern flair, because who says ergonomics can't be stylish? But the real magic is what's inside and on top. We're talking about higher quality memory foam, lovingly wrapped in a silky smooth lycra cover. Seriously, placing your wrists on this bad boy feels like resting them on actual clouds. No more rough edges or sweaty pads, just pure, unadulterated comfort that makes you wonder where this has been all your life. This isn't just about softness, though, it's an ergonomic wrist saver designed with your long-term health in mind. The set includes a generous 17.32-inch keyboard wristpad and a perfectly sized 5.94-inch mouse wrist support. Both are shaped with a unique concave design that perfectly cradles your wrist joints. It's like they scanned your wrists and said, "We got you." This clever design helps improve your hand and wrist posture, which is key to releasing all that stress and tension that builds up during those marathon sessions. It fits most computer keyboards and laptops, so no need to worry about compatibility, it's ready to roll. And let's talk about stability, because nothing's worse than a wrist rest that plays hide and seek across your desk. The Vaydeer features a robust anti-skid silicone base. This means it stays firmly in place, no matter how intense your typing or gaming gets. You get stable and consistent wrist support, session after session, without having to constantly readjust. It's like a tiny, steadfast bodyguard for your wrists. The benefits? Oh, they're immense. This keyboard armrest is a true champion in alleviating that annoying soreness caused by direct contact with a hard desk surface. Think less friction, less fatigue, and a significantly reduced risk of wrist pain or even the dreaded carpal tunnel syndrome. The memory foam's soft texture evenly distributes pressure, giving you fantastic support with just enough give. It's firm where it counts but still wonderfully plush. You might even find exclusive discount deals or a special promo code there. Who doesn't love saving a few bucks, right? Just a heads up, this video is sponsored, and I may earn a small commission if you buy through my link. Gotta keep the coffee fund running. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more review videos.